Allow me to record the presentation kasi marami kasing naghihingi talaga. So, welcome to Forex Trading. We'll talk about introduction in Forex Tradings and cheat codes. Ano yung mga paraan para mabilis lang tayo kumita sa financial market? Alright, guys, sino dito gusto magkaroon ng side hustle? Nakikita ng dollar using cellphone. Can you type dollar? Dollar. Can you type dollar? Ilang dollar yung gusto mong kikitain every day? Yan. Yan, I like that. I like that. Jen, Nick, I like that. All right. Giovanni, may mga kasamahan tayo dito from our core. I would like to welcome Coach Jedalin is our core group from Jeddah, and also Coach MJ. I think Coach MJ is here rather, no, from Philippines, but he's spearheading our from Surigao. Oh, I mean from Siargao. Siargao. Wow, Siargao. John, let me know if we're in Siargao. We're always in Siargao. Actually, my brother is a business in Siargao. So I always there, and I have also like project in Siargao. So lifetime learning in Forex, watching from Jeddah. Welcome po lahat. Start po tayo. Okay. So tonight, pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko kasi wala namang scammer na nagpakikilala talaga. So at least you know. So I am Nars Paraguya. I am 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. Nag-graduate po ako sa Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years na po ako sa digital business. Sa dahilan na gusto kong magkaroon ng time para sa family ko. And because God blessed me with the digital business, I was able to build some businesses at isa dito ay tinatawag natin na mountain resort. So I'm on mountain resort, malit lang naman na resort. I'm also trained to talk about about finance, and I'm a licensed financial consultant. So I started forex trading since 2017, and then right now marami na tayong community na tinulungan. Isa na dito yung Bisaya Trading Community and yung Kabayan Trading Community as well. So, so this is my life. I have three beautiful children, two daughter and one son. So, ito po yung dahilan bakit po ako gustong kumita na nasa bahay lang, na parang abroad na rin yung kitaan. Sino dito yung gustong kumita na nasa bahay lang, parang abroad na rin yung kitaan? So, this is a perfect transition for you. So when we have time, so we do car camping with my family as well, and quality time together. So that's my dream. And thank you for the digital business na nandito ako sa financial market kasi nagagawa ko ito. Disclaimer lang po, we don't accept any investment. So we don't accept any investment. So kung mahihingi man sa inyo na mag-invest sa trade nila, so that's not me and that's not our community. So what we do po is we teach everyone how to trade. Kayo po mismo yung magti-trade. At wag na wag niyo yung ibibigay yung pera niyo. Wag na wag kayo mag-invest para sa iba. I suggest you invest in yourself. Okay? Kasi doon tayo na-i-scam. Okay? So I was there. When I started in 2017, na-scam po ako. So back then, wala akong idea about forex trading. So, nagbigay ako ng pera, 200,000 na sila daw yung mag-trade para sa akin. So, eventually, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko nakuha. So, that's a clear scam for me. However, naging curious na ako sa forex trading and started to check on the internet and do my own research about it. Nakita ko naman na it's a legit business, ang forex trading. Kaya lang, yung napasukan ko, yun lang yung hindi legit. Kaya to aware, or to give you warning para din hindi mangyayari sa inyo, wag na wag niyong ibibigay yung pera niyo sa iba para sila yung mag-trade para sa inyo. Okay? Now, if you want to start forex trading, stick up into the end. Sa end po, bibigay kami ng instructions paano maka-join sa our community for free, paano maka-access din sa mga academy natin na may kunting bayad pero very minimal lang naman, and para maka-access sa AI. Now, if you are busy, pwede kasi marami tayong mga taga-OFW ngayon, mayroon tayong tinatawag na AI trading wherein kayo din mag-open ng account, ma-withdraw nyo anytime. Pero i-active lang natin, kumbaga anong tawag nito, kumbaga yung trading natin is lalagyan natin ng AI trading. So AI trade na, that's if you like. So you can do manual trade, you can do AI trade, or you can choose one of them. All right. And also, this is a high risk, high reward, high risk, high reward business po. Okay. So this is not for everyone. Pero po, before I start, magtatanong na po ako, sino dito may wala pang idea talaga, hindi pa nakapag-try sa forex trading? Can you type number 1? And then yung may experience sa forex trading, can you type number 2? I'd like to know my audience kung anong tawag dito, kung mayroong advanced ba or basic ba, so I can customize my presentation. All right? So part 1, we'll talk about the basic and forex trading. So those who answer number 2, this could be like a review for you. So to give way na po sa mga nag-answer ng number 1. And cheat code naman is anong gagawin mo para makapag-start ka ng mabilis kang kumita sa forex trading. Kasi at totoo lang, ang forex trading hindi siya madali. So it's not an easy business. Lahat naman siguro ngayon. Ang madali lang ngayon kumita is akap and tupad. And tatanggap ka during election. But that's not consistent. Okay? That's not consistent. So in the future, wait, okay ba yung internet ko? Let me use another, how do you call this one? Line for internet. All right. Good to go. Okay. Guys, I'm there. Nandyan ba ako? Naririnig niyo ba ako? All right. All right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So guys, how do you think forex is risky? Risky ba si forex trading? Yes or no? Let me know. Yes, it's risky, but it's rewarding. So, konting ano lang po, disclaimer. Another disclaimer, it's not forex is not for everyone. Para ito sa mga medyo mataas yung risk appetite nila. Pero kung tutuusin mo naman, wala naman sigurong financially successful na hindi risk taker. Lahat yan may kasamang risk, kaya po hindi lahat naging successful kasi hindi lahat willing mag-take ng risk. And I would like to congratulate you. I mean, mga kasama nating OFW, iiwanan mo yung pamilya mo para for a longer period of time, that's a risk. Pero ang tinitingnan mo doon, hindi yung risk. Tinitingnan mo doon yung reward. Ganun din sa forex. Ang tinitingnan mo dito, hindi yung risk, tinitingnan mo yung reward. Kasi lahat naman sa buhay natin may risk yan. Kung lalabas tayo sa bike at maglakad lang tayo, may risk yan. Magdadrive tayo ng motor, bisikleta, magdrive tayo ng kotse, may risk yan. Pero hindi mo tinitingnan yung risk, tinitingnan mo yung reward na mangyayari sa buhay mo. So, yun yung tinitingnan natin kasi it's very rewarding naman talaga pag malaman natin itong forex trading. So, bakit forex? Well, for me, it's a digital business. Pwede mo gawin habang nagtatrabaho ka. You can do as long as may internet ka, may cellphone ka, you can do flexible lifestyle. Habang nagta-travel ka, you are busy or bakante or trabahante or estudyante, pwede as long as you're 18 years old and above. So, pwede, flexible. Habang nasa labas ka, pwede kang mag-forex. Uwi ka sa Pilipinas, pwede kang mag-forex. So, another thing is kailangan mo lang ng low start capital. So, konti lang yung mamaya, with less than 10,000, you can start with forex trading. Of course, it's a business, my friend. So, kung sasabihin mong, pwede bang walang capital, so maybe this is not for you. Kasi wala namang business talaga na walang capital. Okay? However, kung malaman mo kung paano, pwede ka magkaroon ng high earning potential at scale mo yung business mo. Kagaya ng mga kasama natin sa community na may kumikita ng 1,000 USD in one day, 1,000 USD in one week, mayroon nga kumikita 100,000 in one day, but not all the time. Okay? So sa trading kasi hindi lahat ng panahon panalo ka. So yun i-explain natin. So the good thing is that hindi mo kailangan ng experience kasi hindi naman natin to inaral sa eskwelahan, wala namang kurso na forex. Ang kailangan lang natin dito is yung willingness to learn. So if you're willing, who's willing? Who's willing? If you're willing, so you're 50% or more than 50% ka na, nakuha mo na yung forex trading. Kasi at the end of the day, anything can be learned, pero yung willingness, yun yung pinaka-importante. So, are you still there? Can you type if you, number 1, if you're still there, parang hindi ko nakita yung mga reactions sa chat. Ganito talaga guys sa webinar, hindi mo makita yung kausap mo. So, all right, thank you for number 1. So, what is forex? Simple. Forex is foreign exchange. Palitan ho ng pera. Bibili ka ng euro or bibili ka ng dollar. Okay? But how do you apply this one in a traditional way? Marami tayo ngayon, OFW, uwi kayo sa Pilipinas. Anong pera ba nandyan kayo dyan? In UAE, mayroon kang tinatawag na dinar. Anong currency meron kayo sa country niyo ngayon? I-type mo nga, anong currency? Pag uwi mo, riyals. Yes, pag uwi mo, dirham. Okay? Yes, dinar. Okay. Pag uwi mo ba, yung riyal o yung dinar, dadalhin mo sa Pilipinas, yun ba yung papamayad mo sa SM? Yun ba yung babayad mo sa grocery? Yun ba yung pabayad mo pang bili ng pagkain? Hindi, di ba? Ang papabayad mo is Philippine money or peso. So, ang gagawin mo, papalitan mo ng real rather, Real Madrid. Papalitan mo yung real, it's okay. It's okay dyan, no, nothing to worry about. Papalitan mo yung real you or dirham mo into peso. Ang tawag dyan is foreign exchange. Copy. Okay. Now, ang gagawin natin, kasi ang trade natin is not done manually. Ang trade natin is done digitally. Okay. So this is the largest financial market in the world. Pinakamalaking merkado ng pera. Okay. As we speak right now, there are almost 7 trillions of dollars being traded every day. 7 trillion, not per year, not per month, not per week, it's every day. Kukuha lang tayo dyan, kukurot lang tayo ng konti, 100 USD, kukurot lang tayo out of the trillions of money in the financial market. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kukurot lang ng konti. O, kung sa Bisaya pa, mukusi lang tagamay diha, okay? Manguhit lang tagamay diha. Oh, so, yun. So, and it's a global market, everything that has currency. So, it's a most liquid business rather. Ibig sabihin, anytime pwede mo ma-withdraw yung pera mo. So, kung may napasukan ka man, na pag-withdraw, maraming chuchu-chuchu, so kapatid, hindi legit yan. Kasi sa forex trading, anytime mo dapat ma-withdraw yung pera mo na walang hinihingi ng extra chuchu-chuchu. Okay? So, liliquid mo yan yung pera mo. So, it operates 24/5. Saturday at Sunday, walang forex, pero may BTC and other crypto products. Okay? So, available in your smart device. Most of us are being traded every day using cell phone and internet. So, sino nagtitrade? Governments, central banks, financial markets, and individuals. Ang tawag sa atin is retail trader individuals. So, bakit may individuals na? Because of the platform na tinatawag natin na digital platform. And we are using MetaTrader platform. So, yung nag-answer ng number 2 kanina, alam na nila that MetaTrader, MT54 or MT4 or MT5, yun ay commonly used as a digital platform for retail traders like us. So 80% sa mga forex trader is gumagamit ng MT4. Kaya, if may someone asking you na mayroon kaming trading forex, tatanungin nyo, bro, anong platform ninyo? Kasi pag hindi MT4 yan, hindi MT5 yan, red flag yan. Tatanungin nyo, bro, ma-withdraw ba yung money anytime? Kasi pag hindi ma-withdraw anytime, red flag yan. So, ganyan. And besides, wag na wag yung ibigay yung pera nyo sa iba. Dapat ikaw gumawa ng account, i-verify mo yung account doon sa mga tinatawag natin na mga legit or tinatawag natin na regulated broker. Like ako, sa community, nire-recommend namin dito is VT Markets and Light Finance. May recorded ba? Yes, meron tayong recorded, madam. So, is it a legit business? Yes, it's a legit business. As a matter of fact, banks are doing foreign exchange. Okay? So, it's simple. It's a buy and sell business. Bili ka ng dollar, palitan mo ng peso. Bili ka ng peso, palitan mo ng dollar. Malaki man yung amount o maliit man yung amount, akyat man yung value or bababa mo yung value is currency exchange, palitan yan. Okay, now, sa forex, meron tayong tinatawag na buy or sell possession. Technically, ang tawag dito is short and long. So, ibig sabihin, ang market po gumagalaw based po sa supply and demand. No? Based po sa movement ng market. Let's say, for example, we are talking about Euro USD here. So, habang umakyat yung market, nakikita mo na umakyat ang market, ang gagawin mo, mag-buy ka. And na-forecast mo na bababa yung market, ang gagawin mo, mag-sell ka. So, yun lang yung pinaka-importanting terms na dapat nyong malaman is buy and sell. Okay? Can you type buy? Can you type sell in the chat box so that I know that you're still there? Okay? So, mayroon tayong tinatawag na, thank you, Eleanor, thank you. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na major currency pairs. Major currency pairs. These pairs are paired with USD. Euro, USD. Bibili ka ng dollar, anong pamili mo? Euro. Alright? Bibili ka ng dollar, anong pambili mo? British pound. Hindi na pwede, ay, pabili ng $1, ano gagamitin mo? $1 din. So it doesn't make sense. Okay? So yun yung tinatawag natin na major pair. So may pair siya. Alright? However, in our community, we also trade like XEU or gold indexes, alright, and so on. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin natin. Another terms, guys, is take profit and stop loss. So, TP and SL. So, TP is kita ka na. Si SL is may medyo nagka-negative ka pero mayroon siyang defensive side. Alright? Okay. So, ganito yan. Sa market, mayroon tayong tinatawag na chart. May chart sa market. So, mayroon siyang presyo. Titingnan mo yung presyo kung aakyat o pababa. Kung aakyat, mag-buy ka. Kung pababa, mag-sell ka. With this example, dito ka pumasok sa entry. Dito pa yung price. Hindi pa siya umakyat. Dito yung TP1 mo, TP2, target 1, target 2, nakuha mo, nag-TP ka na. Alright? So, that's another. This one is sell. Pababa naman. Dito ka dito ka nag-sell rather. Target 1, target 2, TP1, TP2, nakuha mo. Alright? So, in short, the best thing to win the market is to understand the direction of the market. Direction. Saan siya papunta? Saan papunta yung market? Pababa or paakyat? Kung paakyat, anong gagawin natin? Test muna tayo ng konti. Kung paakyat, anong gagawin natin? Can you type? Mag-buy tayo. Very good, Eleanor. Pag pababa yung market, anong gagawin natin? Mag-sell tayo. Very good. Again, children. Alright, biro lang po. Alright, so yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. Kailangan mo lang malaman. Kaya lang, ang problema, kasi yung iba, hindi nila inaral. Ang ginagamit nila na method is hulalysis. So, anong ibig sabihin ng hulalysis? Naghuhula lang sila. Kaya, nagkakaroon sila ng maliit na win rate. Yung paghuhula po sa market, that's only 5% na win rate dyan. Mananalo ka 5% lang. At least mataas pa rin kumpara sa loto. Ilang percent ba mananalo sa loto? 0.00001. Bakit maraming tumataya? Kasi you are looking for someone na mag-create ng pera. So here, mas mataas yung win rate natin kung aralin natin yung negosyo or tinatawag natin na analysis. By the way, kung mayroon po kayong special power na na-predict po yun yung future, consolidation. May consolidation, mamaya pag-usapan natin. Basic muna tayo, brother. Okay? Meron tayong mga advanced training separate dun sa community. But Gary, allow me to share a very basic concept lang muna para maintindihan po ng lahat. Alright. Okay. So, technical analysis, titingnan natin ang simple direction ng market. Aralin natin. Alright. So, let's move on. Kasi si Gary gusto niya medyo advanced. Meron tayong time para dyan. And then, meron tayong types of market analysis. Fundamental, technical, and sentimental. In fact, yesterday, we just have a technical analysis training na tinatawag natin na chart mastery. So, yesterday, we talked about reversal patterns and technical indicators. So, ito yung pinaka-kailangan natin aralin talaga. And next week, we'll talk about fundamentals. Ano yung impact ng mga news doon sa market. And then, sentimental is very simple. Buyers and sellers, maraming buyers, akit yung presyo. Maraming sellers, bababa yung presyo. So, this is how do you see fundamentals. Before kayo mag-trade, titingnan nyo yung mga calendar or tinatawag na economic calendar. Kung may mga pula. Pula means high impact news. So, next week sa mga exclusive members ng community natin, pag-aralan natin how to interpret news or fundamentals. Kasi si fundamentals, siya po yung mag-create ng movement sa market. Si technical, siya po yung i-interpret po yung movement ng market. So, ganun po yung forex trading. So, technical analysis, ito. Ito, technical analysis, part po ng technical analysis, patterns, price actions, and so on. So kung hindi mo siya aaralin, hindi mo siya malalaman, mafe-feel mo na complicated si forex trading. Alright, complicated. Pero just like anything that we do, kung hindi mo talaga alam, kahit pagdadrive ng motor, very simple, pagdadrive ng sasakyan, di ba? Kung hindi mo siya aralin, hindi mo talaga makukuha. Kasi hindi naman natin to inaaral sa school. So, ano yung motivation mo? Bakit aralin? Simple lang naman. Gusto mong kikita ng pera. Gusto mong kikita ng 100 USD per day, 200 USD per day. May mga ganun ba? Meron. In fact, marami. Mamaya ang papakita ko ng results doon sa community ho natin. But let's set aside this some complications here. And I just want to ask you guys, do you want an easier solution? Gusto niyo bang matuto ng forex trading na hindi ganun ka-hardcore yung labanan? Gusto niyo bang magkaroon ng madaling paraan para makastart sa forex trading? Although, hindi ito ibig sabihin na madali lahat. It's like magic. What I'm trying to say is this one is more better than traditional way of learning forex. Copy? Kasi traditional way of learning forex, it will take you 2 years para maging profitable sa forex trading. 6 months so yung pinakamaliit kung grabe yung intensive ng pag-aaral mo. I think may nakita akong isa na, do you want an easier solution? Okay, I'll give you time to answer. Do you want an easier solution in forex trading? Rans, thank you for your answer, Nick. So that's a good signal for me to move on. Okay? So, maganda po maging interactive po tayo. Wala namang bayad yung pagta-type nyo sa chat. In some way, malalaman ko that you're still there and I will a little interactions with our webinar tonight. Okay. Thank you sa nag-answer ng yes. So now let me introduce to you the cheat codes in forex trading. But before that, kwento muna tayo. Ano yung personal journey ko sa forex trading? Is it okay? Okay lang ba? I-share ko muna yung kwento ko. Okay, 2017, nag-start po ako ng forex trading. I started with a scam, not a good start. 2021, nag-end din po ako sa forex trading. Not a good end. Kasi that was the time, October 2021. Naintindihan ko lahat to anong nangyayari doon because that was the night na hindi ako makatulog kasi na-lose ako sa market ng 400k. Peso lang naman ito. In just one night. Wow, amazing. And then I make an evaluation. That's a top evaluation for me. And sabi ko, maybe it's not for me. So I stopped. So everything stopped. Because that was the time that my business was medyo okay pa. Okay. But after pandemic, nagkaroon ng struggle yung businesses ko that I forced to look for another way of making money. So I go back. Last year, bumalik ako sa forex trading. Kini-consider ko siya ulit. Kasi mayroon akong kaibigan na I've been following him for more than a year na naging consistent naman yung forex trading niya. And eventually, dumating yung time na feature ko siya sa RDR Talk. Sabi ko, this is my friend. Friend ko talaga siya. Pero hindi kami ganun close. Pero he's my friend. I've been following him. At we had a dinner somehow before pandemic. So, nakinig ako. So, nasa forex industry pala siya. But before that, nagkaroon pala siya ng malaking utang. Utang na, 26 million. Guys, pause lang muna tayo dito. Sino dito may utang? Sino ditong may utang na 26 million, 25 million, 20 million, 15 million, 10 million? Sino dito? Last year, meron pa akong malaking utang na binabayaran na around na 3 million. So, that caught me. Sabi ko, wow, kung nabayaran niya yung utang niya na 26 million through forex trading, maybe I can also do it. Pwede ko rin gawin. Ba't walang umamin? Guys, sino dito walang utang? Ay, may utang. It's okay na umamin, guys. Wala dito yung inuutangan ninyo. Okay. Ay, 300k, maliit lang yan. Balikan mo yung inuutangan mo. Sabihin mo, utang ka ulit. 500k, tulog mo yan, maliit lang yan. 1M, maliit din yan. Okay. So, 26 million, guys. Imagine 26 million. Hindi siya nakakatulog. 26 million. So, kay mga situation na ganyan, kumbaga na-open yung mind mo, nagmahanap ng paraan. Mangungutang pa lang. I like that answer. Di ba? So, imaginein mo what kind of pero lahat naman ng problema may solusyon. Kaya kung open-minded ka lang, familiar, kung open-minded ka lang, di ba, this could be an answered prayer for you. I'm not saying that it's for everyone, but that is very true. Well, sabihin na natin na ang pag-abroad hindi para sa lahat. Ang pagdinegosyo hindi para sa lahat. Pagtatrabaho hindi para sa lahat. Okay? Ang pagpo-forex hindi para sa lahat. That's the way it is. But if you think na, kumbaga, ay, linya-linya lang yan. Bakit yung pag-abroad ba, linya mo ba? Hindi mo linya. Inaral mo. Niris mo yung buhay mo. Kasi nakita mo yung reward. May matinding pangangailangan sa buhay. So, minsan, kung may matindi tayong pangangailangan sa buhay, so that's a good opportunity for us na magkakaroon tayo ng konting tapang na lumaban sa buhay. Tama ho ba? Okay? Tapang na lumaban sa buhay. So, laban lang yung may mga utang dyan. Laban lang. It's not the end of the world. Hanggang hindi umaabot yan ng 26 million, masosolve natin yan. Okay? Can you type? Yung gustong mabayaran yung utang, sabihin natin, bayad ka this 2025. Okay? Bayad ka this 2025. Iba naman yung mindset ni Ann to N. After this training, mangungutang ako ng 10 million. Very good realization in life. Siyempre, di ba? So, nangyari din kasi, so tinawagan ko siya, bro, kumusta? Kumusta yung forex trading, bro? Ito, maganda, ganyan. So, bro, ano ginagawa niyo? Ba't ganyan, bla bla bla? Sabi niya, bro, may mga cheat codes na kasi ngayon sa forex trading, hindi kagaya ng dati. Kasi dati talaga, when you started forex trading, pure manual trading talaga. Drawing, ganyan. Manual trading talaga. So sabi ko, let me explore those cheat codes for you. And tonight, ano yung mga cheat codes na gagawin na cheat codes is madali kang matuto ng forex trading. Tataas yung win rate mo kasi may mga tools na itong mga cheat codes. And tonight, i-reveal ko sa inyo kung ano yung 4 na cheat codes i-reveal ko sa inyo. Now, let me know if you're ready. Okay? Can you type CC if you're ready? Cheat codes if you are ready. So, let's proceed. Number 1. Okay, by the way, ito pala yung kaibigan ko. Si Bro Edsel. Okay, Bro Edsel Flores and the rest of our team. So, dito is nagmi-meet up kami, sa forex trading. Tinaaral namin. Alright? So, number 1 cheat code, guys, is tinatawag natin na AI tools. So, sa AI, nowadays, the world is crazy about AI. Everything AI. So, mayroon din tayong AI, guys, manual trading and automated, dalawa. So, ano yung manual trade? Manual trade is kayo magti-trade, kayo mag-analyze, kayo yung mag-execute ng buy and sell, and you modify it with your SL and TP. Or you execute like buy limit, stop limit, sell limit, stop limit. So that's mamaya another topic. Okay. So si AI trading is ang tawag dyan automated. Install mo lang, mag-open ka lang na account, tapos i-link natin yung account mo doon sa AI na trade, and then eventually wala ka nang gagawin, titingnan mo lang kung anong nangyari doon sa trade mo. Tapos i-withdraw mo lang anytime. So yun yung tinatawag natin na AI tools. So this one is an example of our AI tools, guys. Isang tools, guys, na tinatawag natin na AI pattern scanner. Ini-scan niya yung anong yung nangyayari sa market, tapos nagsasuggest siya. Ibig sabihin dito is siya na yung kumbaga nag-analyze sa market based doon sa tinatawag natin na harmonic patterns. So nagsasuggest siya, kailangan ka pumasok, kailangan ka lumabas. Ito yung tinatawag natin. So anong basis natin ng patterns na ito? Guys, please understand that analysis in forex trading is made up of 70 to 80% na patterns. So ang tawag sa patterns na ito is harmonic patterns, which is mataas yung success ratio niya. Uulitin ko, wala hong 100% panalo sa forex trading. Okay? So, ba tumatayan ng loto? 100% ba? Hindi. 0.0000%. Pero dito sa cheat codes natin, pataas yung percentage mo, 70 and up yung gumagamit ka ng cheat codes natin. So, maganda siya na pattern pero hindi siya madaling i-identify sa mga baguhan. But it's a high accurate 70 to 85. Si Google po yung naglagay nito, alright? So that's AI pattern scanner. Ito another example. Pumasok ka dito, nag-suggest ka, ito yung price mo, target TP1, TP2, and your stop loss. Okay. Let me know guys if mabilis ako so that I can make it slow for you. May question and answer naman tayo. So, ito yung another, by the way guys, mapapakita na ko na yung result sa community natin. Ito naman is actual at tunay na result. Nag-trade siya gamit po ito tinatawag na AI pattern scanner. Nangyari sa kanya, pinalo lang na yung recommendation ng AI pattern. May training po dito guys kung paano gamitin. Kumita siya ng 621 at 682. Dalawang TP. Sa isang araw ho yan, kumita siya ng 1,302. Not bad. That's around 70,000 in one day. Wow. Malaki, maliit. Actually, maliit pa yan guys compared to this one. Another person who trade, which is the next slide kung sino siya, i-reveal ko. Nag-trade ko siya in one day, kumita siya ng 4,124. 238,000 now guys. Tanong ko sa inyo. Worth it ba aralin si Forex trading kung ganito kalaki yung potential na kikitain mo? Worth it ba? Aral na tayo sa college. Ako guys, 5 years ako nag-aral. Muntik na hindi makagraduate. And only to realize na hirapan ako maghanap ng trabaho. Ateneo pa yan na Ateneo pa yan. So dito, aralin mo lang ito for just, seryoso mo lang for 1 month. I can guarantee you, you will get success with our cheat codes. Marami. So, hindi lang siya. So, ito siya. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung card niya. So, ang background niya, by the way, guys, ito is live trade pa. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa niya naku-close. Nagumagawa siya ng video because he's so excited na when the TP hits, TP means take profit. Mahit mo yung presyo na doon, magte-take profit na siya. Puro blue. Ibig sabihin, puro positive. Nag-take profit siya sa halagang lahat-lahat 4,045. In short, 234,000 in one day alone. Wow. You know that this guy is a seaman, former seaman. And guess what? Siyempre, hindi na magsisiman. Kung kikitain ba niya yung sweldo niya in, let's say in one week, yung 1 month na sweldo in 1 week, tapos may time siya. So, kayang-kaya, di ba? So, it's just an inspiration, guys. Huwag niyo kontrahin pag may mga ganong klaseng resulta. Kasi pag kinakontra nyo yan, hindi mangyayari sa'yo. Why? You are sending a negative signal subconsciously sa self mo, sa sarili mo, sa mind at sa heart mo that you don't like this one. Kaya if I were you, kung gusto mong kumita ng ganito, huwag mong kontrahin, ma-encourage ka. No, ma-encourage ka. Pwede mo sabihin sa sarili mo, ako na yung susunod. Alright? So, another, nasa 1 pa tayo, AI. Another AI natin, guys, is Wealth Builder. Actually, dalawa to, Wealth Builder. So, gagawin mo dito is, si AI na yung magti-trade para sa'yo. Starting capital, 300, and meron siyang 1 year na proven track record. Walang negative for almost a year. For more than a year na, yung AI. And then, mataas yung win rate niya, puro positive. Okay? So, ang maganda dito is nako-compound. The blue is the capital and your interest or your gain mo, equity gain, ang term dyan sa Forex, lumalaki dahil nagko-compound siya. Okay. So, actually, dalawa yan. Meron tayong tinatawag na wealth gainer. No, wealth gainer and wealth builder. We have a separate training for this one. If you join our GC for free, magbibigay ako din ng video about AI trading if you're interested. Kasi most of the OFW kasi interested sila sa AI trading. Ang gagawin nyo lang, to join our GC for free, mag-reply lang kayo doon sa tao na nagbigay ng link. Or if mayroon siyang, di ba mayroong Facebook page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo like Trade Like a Pro, mayroong webinar tonight, binigyan kayo ng link. Ang gagawin ninyo, mag-reply lang kayo doon, sasabihin nyo, I joined the webinar. Para maka-join kayo doon sa GC, sa community natin na for free. But it's not free. After all, hindi free lahat. Mamaya, mayroon tayong babayaran. Okay? So, number 2 is Expert Trader Signal. Si Expert Trader Signal naman is very, 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 very powerful. Kasi kung nag-aaral ka pa, hindi mo muna kailangan mag-analyze. While you are learning to analyze, somebody will analyze the market for you and will give you a signal kung kailan ka mag-sell at kailan ka mag-buy. This is manual trading also. And guys, mataas yung win rate niya. As we test this one, meron siyang 78% na win rate. Na ito din yung gamit ng kaibigan natin na si Tito. Naging Tito ko na siya eventually, but hindi ko siya personally nakilala. 66 years old lang naman. Kumita ng almost 100 USD in one day, sometimes 200 USD in one day. 66 years old. Ma'am Cherry, hindi po dito mag-reply sa I joined the webinar. Doon po kayo mag-reply sa Facebook Messenger na mayroong Facebook page na nagsisend o nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight bago kayo nakapag-join. Tama ho ba? Mag-reply lang kayo doon. Kasi dito kasi maybe yung mga pangalan niyo like here, Robert Magdadaro. Sa Facebook, ibang pangalan yan. Okay. So, para ma-join namin kayo sa GC. Alright? But okay lang po din mag-message dito. But eventually, doon ka mag-reply, I join the webinar sa GC. Alright? I hope you got it right. Kaya kailangan dito, mabilis din yung ano natin dito kasi forex trading to guys. Hindi pwedeng dapat medyo mabilis yung recall mo, mabilis yung makakuha kahit may cheat codes para mabilis kang kumita. Alright. So, ano yung point ko dito? Kung nakayanan ng isang 66 years old na mag-start ng forex trading from zero experience. Kasi bakit mayroon cheat codes, okay? Mayroon mga nagbibigay ng signals, okay? Mayroon tayong mga AIs. Isasabay lang niya. And eventually, naging consistent yung profitability niya for 6 months na hanggang ngayon. Consistent pa rin yung profitability niya. Okay. May mga traders din tayo na kasama na dati ng traders na nagustuhan naman nila. Mataas daw yung win rate. Exaggerated nga 120 daw. First time in my trading career, consistent akong earnings Bisaya kasi sa Bisaya trading community to galing. Gaan kaayo ang akong time. Medyo magaan na lang yung pag-time ko mag-analyze kasi marami na tayong tools. Signals, cheat codes na gagamitin na pang-trade. Alright? So ito po yung mga resulta natin. 175 pips, isang araw to, 155 pips, 129 pips, 198. Of course, it doesn't, hindi nangyari yan every day. Pero yung ibig ko sabihin, pinakita ko yung resulta, ano yung posibleng mangyari doon sa cheat codes na gagamitin natin. Alright? So, another tools na meron din tayong separated app. By the way, this one is ginagamit natin dito is Telegram. This one, Telegram. Okay? And then another app, doon sa Telegram, doon kami magbibigay ng signal. Okay. So another app is tinatawag natin na Solex, which is exclusive sa paid community natin or VIP community natin. So, ang gagawin mo lang, kopyahin mo lang kung TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. Another which is very important cheat codes is Academy. Aralin mo yung Forex. Okay. Kung kaya mong aralin yung ibang way para kumita, why not itong forex trading? Kasi pwede mo na lang gawin ito habang free ka lang. Okay. So basic forex, advanced forex, and masterclass. Basic, advanced, masterclass. And then sa community po natin, sa community natin na Kabayan Traders Community and Pinoy Tradings Community, sa exclusive VIP members po natin, meron tayong tinatawag na Chart Mastery every Saturday. Inaaral po natin yung mga technical analysis, which is very powerful. In my own opinion, this is the only way na mataas yung profitability mo sa forex trading. Kailangan mong i-master ang chart. Kailangan mong aralin ang technical analysis. Alright? Last Saturday, and next Saturday naman, may mga training din tayo. Alright, guys, by the way, ito po yung mga some of our educators. So, sa community natin, meron tayong mga coaches, mga Tagalog yung training. Pero sa whole community natin, yung sa international, meron tayong mga experts na mga trainers talaga. Another cheat codes is live trading, which is papasok ka sa trade ng isang expert na si Abdallah. Mag-20 years na siya sa financial market. Ang gagawin mo, sasabay ka sa trade niya or mag-aral ka lang. Pwede. So that's cheat code number 4. Cheat code number 1, AI trading. Cheat code number 2, can you type? Cheat code number 2. Cheat code number 3, academy. Cheat code number 4 is live trading. And then, this is live. So guys, kahit walang experience dito sa forex, trade niya. So karoon ka ng mga resulta na ganito. Alright? So yung cheat code guys at mga tools guys is binigay ng economy. Si economy hindi siya broker, hindi siya financial. Si economy is academy siya na may makasamang technology na tools. I-access mo yan guys, ma-access mo ito na kailangan ka mag-enroll sa tinatawag natin na Forex class or formal enrollment. Magkano? Sa traditional na Forex is that will take you 70 to 150. Minsan nga advance 400. Yes, and that's true. Pero hindi ganoon kamahal, maliit lang. Kailangan mo lang mag-enroll sa halagang 645, which is around 30,000, not bad. Kumita ka ng ganito kalaki naman, di ba? Kung malaman mo na. With kasama na yan ang 6 months subscription. Malaki ba? Maliit? Ba't mahal? Kasi inaaral mo dito yung high paying skills. Di ba kung mag-a-abroad ka, magsisiman ka, mahal din. Mahal din yung aral, mahal din yung SOLAS, di ba? So, ganun din this is high paying skills kasi. Ano ibig sabihin ng high paying skills? Pag malalaman mo ito, yung skills mo, kikita ka sa market. Kahit this one is isang araw lang, pag malaman mo na ito. Okay? Sa other competitors natin guys, yung enrollment nila is 1,499. Kano yan? 1,499, that's around 60, that's around 80, almost 80,000. 1.7, this is the almost close to 100,000. Bakit mahal? Like I said, you are training yourself, you are learning a new skills in the financial market. Guys, ito maganda. Pagkaroon man ng mga AI and blah blah blah, tatanggalin niyo yung mga empleyado, maaaral mo ito, nasa financial market ka lang galit ng cellphone, kikita ka pa rin. Okay, mayroon tayong separate na training dyan, yung tinatawag natin na digital wealth. So ngayon, nasa digital wealth na tayo. But medyo mahal yan, meron tayong payment option number 2 is only 149 USD. Yes, finally, you can start with below 10,000. Okay? I'm sorry guys, yun na yung pinakamababa. So, well, sulit ba? Tingnan natin kung sulit ba siya. By the way, yung 149 guys, meron siyang monthly subscription. Next month after you enroll na 99. But it's optional kung gusto magpatuloy o it's okay. Kung hindi, it's okay. You're still part of the community. So, 749 USD or like 9,000, below 10,000, magamit mo na yung mga cheat codes, ma-access mo na yung mga tools like AI pattern scanner, VIP signals, live trading, access to masterclass, basic trading, AI robot trading, copy trading, and trading community sa halagang 149. But wait, meron pa akong bonus. Okay, sa inyo, bonus. Even if you're not yet ready na mag-enroll, na magbayad ng 149, pero willing ka. Sino dito yung willing? Willing mo aralin yung forex trading. Gagawin mo, meron tayong bonus. You can join our GC for free. GC lang ha. Hindi mo access yung cheat codes, pero mayroon ka ng GC. At least you can start from there. Pwede kang may mga trainings din doon sa GC natin. May mga mga informations din natin ibibigay. Importante may mapagtanungan ka. At least kung may papasukin ka guys, ito check this one, is this legit guys? Okay ba to guys? Nahirapan ako ano yung next na gagawin ko dito kasi hindi mo namang kailangan suluhin yung pag-aaral mo sa forex trading. Okay. Doon sa mga willing, ang gagawin nyo is yung sinabi ko kanina, to join our free community, mag-reply lang kayo doon sa messenger sa nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Diba? Ulitin ko. Mayroong nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Join us tonight. We have a webinar tonight. Blah, blah, blah. Facebook page, messenger, or person. Mag-reply lang ka sa kanya na I joined the webinar. Tapos nagbibigay kami ng instruction kung paano makapasok sa GC for free. Alright? So what will happen if you subscribe? Simple. Aaralin mo, mag-trade ka. Like this guy, inaral niya for a week. 1 week lang, inaral niya. Ginamit siya ng cheat code, nag-capital siya ng 200. Kailangan pa mag-capital? Siyempre kasi buy and sell yan. Kailangan ka may pamili. Alright? So sa first day, nag-profit siya ng 111. Another day, after 2 days, nag-profit siya ng 1,278. Profit na yan. Kasi yung total amount is 1.5. Hindi siya nag-take profit, continue siyang nag-trade. 5 days after that, kumita siya ng 2,444. Lahat-lahat, 2,700. So nag-take TP siya, ibig sabihin nag-withdraw siya. Kumita siya ng 142,000. Bagong trader. Sulit ba or sulit na sulit? 'Di ba? So marami, actually marami guys, maraming resulta. Kung screenshot lang, pupunta sa GC, minsan nga hindi na ako nagsisend ng screenshot. Nakakailo na yung mga result guys. Madali lang siya, bakit meron tayong mga tinatawag na cheat codes? So ito yung bagong trader, kumita siya 1.2. So sulit ba yung 149? Sulit na sulit kasi yung cheat codes, yun yung dahilan na mabilis kang matuto at mabilis kang kumita. Now, doon naman sa nag-answer ng number 2 kanina, si cheat code is like your confluences. Okay? Confluences or confirmation na maging confident ka doon sa pag-analyze mo sa market, lalo na mayroon tayong training na technical analysis. Super sulit. Maraming salamat dyan. Guys, I'm good. Now, let's go for Q and answer. Please put your questions on the chat box and I will answer all those questions, guys. Okay? Now, this one is an OFW. OFW siya, sabi niya, first time ko nakabawi lang. Time trader na rin, puro lose. Ibig sabihin, nag-trade na sa dati, pero puro lose, puro talo. Pero dito sa group na ito, sulit ang 149 USD. Paano ba naman hindi sulit guys? Nag-trade siya sa isang araw. This is December ha. Kumita lang naman siya ng 2,000 at naka-withdraw na siya 1,200. Okay bro, pakitype na lang doon bro para mayroon tayong tinatawag na medyo organized tayo sa ano. Type mo na lang yung questions. Okay? So, sasagutin ko. Alright? Sige. So, sulit na sulit talaga kasi, di ba? Marami. Ang marami dito is kumikita ng 100 USD lang in one day. 100 USD. 100 USD not bad. Pwede ka nang mag for good. In fact, guys, meron tayong kasama from KSA, from Saudi. Umuwi siya sa Pilipinas last month. Okay. Last January. Pumasok siya sa community last December. Inaaral niya for about a month. Nag-trade siya. Now, ano nangyari sa kanya? 1 week before sa flight siya, kumita siya ng total 120,000. Masayang-masaya siya, na-withdraw siya, umuwi siya sa Pilipinas, may extra baon siya na 120,000. Sabi niya, kapatid, baka pwede na ako mag-for good dito. Sabi mo, pwede kang mag-for good. Pero bigyan mo lang ng konti. Tapusin mo na yung kontrata mo. Kasi dapat long term kasi yung tinitingnan natin dito. Consistent lang. Pag may consistency na, not bad. Nang tanong ko, sulit ba yung 149 niya? Sulit na sulit. Ganun talaga. We need to give to receive. Hindi pwedeng puro kapwa lang. Okay? Puro akap, puro tupad. Okay naman yun. But that's not long term. Hindi tayo makakaroon ng financial freedom dyan. Hindi tayo makapag-vacation. Hindi tayo makabayad sa utang. So, like I said, this is not for everyone. Guys, my question here, are you hearing me? You can put your questions here, guys. Mayroon nga dito kasama natin yung kanina, yung babae na na-interview. Yun. Kumita siya, last October, kumita siya ng 18,000 USD or 1 million plus in 1 month of trading. Baka sasabihin mo, puro win yung pinapakita nyo. Hindi may talo siya. In fact, in this day, napakataas yung talo niya. Ang talo niya is 3,000. 3,000, it's like 160,000. Talo ka isang araw. Part yun. Pero as a whole, kasi meron tayong tinatawag na mga part ng risk management at mga calculated risk, at the end of the month, kumita pa rin siya, which is not bad. How many times you are allowed to trade per day? You are allowed as many trade as you can. But for a starter, if demo account ka, trade as many times as you can for you to develop your skills. But kung magla-live trade ka, the term live trade refers to yung may capital ka na nilagay mo sa broker. This is a very good question, Eddie. This one, if you're going to trade many times at hindi mo alam, ang tawag dyan is nare-risk yung capital mo. Remember, if time you get into the market, mayroong capital yan nakasama. So, for new, I suggest if live trade ka, you just trade 2 to 3 times position in one day. In one day. But, pwede kang maraming mag-trade sa demo account mo. May crypto din ba? Yes, kanina pinakita ko, that's BTC. Okay. Pero we're not more on holding, we are more on trading. Okay. Kung mag-loss ka sa capital mo, lalabas ka pa rin ulit ng capital. Of course, of course. Kaya nga, kailangan mong aralin para maliless yung chance na malulus ka. Okay. Hindi siya 100%. Pero ito pala yung offer natin, guys. Alam naman natin, politiko ito. Kung hindi tayo legit, bakit niya ipopromote, masisira yung pangalan niya. It makes sense? It makes sense? I think it makes sense. Okay? So, ulitin ko, sa 149 mo, yun nga, kailangan mo mag-enroll, kapatid na Kim rather, para maproteksyonan mo yung capital mo. Pwede ka bang mag-trade na hindi mag-enroll sa amin? Pwede. Pero, pwede ka bang kumita ng hindi mag-capital? Hindi pwede. Kailangan mo rin mag-capital. But the question is, anong gagawin mo sa capital mo kung hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo dun sa market?
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Kaya it's very
Huwag mong subukan
kung hindi mo alam. Bakit? 95% of the new traders fail. That's 95%. Kaya yung 149 mo dito is actually not an expense. That's your investment sa sarili mo para kumita ka, para malilearn mo yung forex market. Okay. Let me, Gen Z, as starter or beginner, ano po yung maganda para sa akin? Ang maganda para sa iyo, mag-enroll ka ng 149. Aralin mo for 1 month, 1 week, 2 weeks, depende or how fast you can learn at ang time mo na ibibigay mo. And after that, 149, 1 week aralin mo. After 1 week, mag-try kang mag-trade demo account muna. Si demo account, hindi ka pa muna lalabas ng pera mo. It's a virtual money, pero actual na yun na trading. Just to practice. Now, kung sa pag-trade mo, gamit yung cheat code, sumabilis kang mag-learn kasi may VIP signals, may pattern scanner, may mga ganon, may mga cheat codes tayo, mabilis ka matuto. Now, kung consistent na yung profitability mo sa demo, that's the time na pwede kang mag-deposit with the initial capital of 100 USD. Just like na sistema
100% nga increase sa akong gibuhunan nga $105.
Capital siya daw ng $105, inaral niya for almost 2 weeks, nag-start siyang mag-trade, within 3 days lang, nabawi lang niya yung capital niya kasi naging profitable na siya. So, AI robot talaga mag-trade. Like I said, Kim, mayroon tayong tinatawag na manual trade. Ikaw yung mag-trade manual. Alright? AI trade meron din kung gusto mo. So, gusto ka mag-manual trade at the same time mag-AI trade, pwede. Okay? For further instruction, join the GC at magbibigay ako ng video about AI trading kasi that's a different, mayroon akong explanation doon. Hindi porke AI trading okay na. Mayroon ding mga do's and don'ts na dapat i-consider before pumasok sa AI trading. Bakit namin to ginagawa? Para po maproteksyonan po yung capital ninyo na hindi lang basta-basta papasok kayo. At maiwasan din natin yung mga scam kasi free lang naman itong webinar natin. Kung pag-join mo dito, at least nakakuha ng information na may mga ganito palang business. Okay. Magkano? Okay. Sir, may mentor din, sir. Yes, mayroon din tayo mag-mentor. If you want one-on-one, mayroon tayong 1 week one-on-one program and 1 month one-on-one program. Of course, may kasamang additional yan. Okay. But kailangan mo mag-enroll muna ng 149. Okay. So 149, meron kang access sa academy, access sa trainings, pero hindi kasama yung one-on-one coaching. Sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys, ang one-on-one coaching is so expensive. Bakit? Hindi madali magturo po. Hindi madali. And besides, yung binabayaran nyo dito is yung skills and knowledge ng coach. Kasi nahirapan niya ako maghanap ng coach. Kasi ako hindi na ako nagwa-one-on-one coaching, guys. Sa busy ko, sa community, at saka personal business ko, at sa trade ko, hindi na ako. Pero dati nagwa-one-on-one coaching ko, my cost is 50,000 per month. Ngayon, mayroon ako mga coaches na sa core group ko na I ask them, could you help someone, ganyan, pero it's very limited. Okay. Doon sa one-on-one, mayroon kaming isang slot, pero medyo mura lang at 25K basic to advanced na one-on-one coaching, 3 sessions in 3 sessions per week. So, whole month yun. So, bakit kailangan mabayad? Siyempre, the cost of the mentor. At guys, mahirap, I tell you, mahirap maghanap ng mentor na magaling. Okay? So, sa 149, babayad ba enrollment, hindi pa kasama yung capital ko. Yes. So, 149 enrollment mo yon. Pero kung hindi ka mag-149, pwede ka mag-capital. Mamili ka. It's your choice. Okay? How many times you are allowed to trade every day? Walang limit. Okay, na-answer na ni Coach Jed. Okay. Ano po yung ginagamit natin sa pag-trade? MetaTrader. May mag-guide po sa newbie? Yes, meron. Okay, but don't expect na one-on-one talaga na coaching. But if you like, meron. Pero dali naman yung guide natin. Nakuha nga sa mga senior citizen. Okay. Ano po yung app na gagamitin natin? MetaTrader 5. Okay. Naguguluhan ako, kumikita ng malaki dyan. Saan ba sila mag-trade? Okay. Normal yan, naguguluhan ka. Kasi ang tawag natin dyan is, kaya natin i-explain, kaya ka mag-enroll para maintindihan mo. Okay? Naguguluhan ako yung kumikita ng malaki dyan. Saan ba sila mag-trade? Ikaw ba mismo? No. Hindi kami mag-trade para sa inyo. Kayo mag-trade para sa sarili nyo. When I started, Kim, sabi ko, wag kang mag-invest sa iba. Mag-invest ka sa sarili ko, sa sarili mo. So definitely, we're not allowing everyone to trade for you. Ikaw magte-trade para sa sarili mo. Now, if you're busy, meron tayong tinatawag na AI trading. Yun ang gagamitin mo, but still your account, ma-open mo yung account, nasa yung password, log in anytime, ma-withdraw yung pera mo. Copy? I hope you get it. Guys, kung hindi nyo makuha kaagad lahat, normal lang yun. Kasi hindi naman to So, i-robot talaga mag-trade. Another question na parang it doesn't make sense to me na. Kim, are you late or are you just hindi mo lang nakuha? Okay lang yun. Magkano yung smallest capital sa bayad? Technically, you can trade 50 USD. Okay? At least. But I suggest you can start with 100 USD. Okay? But if hindi po nagpe-enroll, anong oras yung coaching sakali po? Hindi po mag-i-enroll, still meron ding magtuturo sa inyo. Wala. Okay? Come to think about it. People are busy. Okay? So, sariling sikap ka, pwede. Pwede kang magsariling sikap sa YouTube. Walang problema. It's your life. Ganon din ako dati, pero grabe. It takes me. Imagine 2017, 18, 19, 20, 4 years ako sariling sikap sa forex trading ko. At the end of the 4 years, natalo pa rin ako ng big time. Kaya, present ko sa inyo, the easiest way and the fastest way, wake up, it's only 149. It's not for everyone, but malaking tulong ito para mabilis kang kumita ng dollar sa financial market. I hope you guys, okay. Nag-message ako, willing mag-enroll. Paano mag-enroll? Yun maganda. Broker name, VT Markets, and Light Finance. Guys, please do your own research, ha? Do your own research. Nowadays, guys, ang dali na lang mag-research. You can go Google, YouTube, research ka, Forex Trading, research ka, VT Markets, research ka, MetaTrader 5, research mo Light Finance, if it's legit or not, okay? Now, if you think you are doubtful about this one, out ka na. Kasi, for you to be profitable in forex trading, you need to have some faith. So, kaya nga hindi ito para sa lahat. Okay? Sulit ba yun, sir? Ano yung oras yung coaching kasali? Kung sasali ka sa coaching, enroll ka sa coaching, ikaw at si coach, mayroon kayong tinatawag na onboarding call. So, onboarding call, i-align ng time na available mo at yung available ni coach, mag-agree kayo kung anong oras. Then after that, yung schedule na agree mo, yun na yung time nyo na makikita kayo sa Zoom para tinatawag nating one-on-one coaching. Okay? Paano mag-enroll? Join the GC, magbibigay kami ng link sa inyo kung paano. Okay? After 1 month, naka-access ka na, makaka-access ng, if you don't want to renew, of course, hindi ka maka-access ng. Guys, you need to have a lot of common sense here. Okay? Kasi this is forex trading. 'Di ba po, mag-join muna bago mag-enroll. Yes, mag-join ka sa GC. Yun nga, you can join the GC for ano, but don't expect dun sa GC na i-spoon feed ka, ibibigay lahat sa iyo. No, you're just there to, meron mga trainings din, meron ding mga ano, pero it's, iba pa rin yung kapag nag-enroll ka kasi may access ka ng cheat codes. Parang nadala lang ako sa robot trading kasi na di ako kumita. Ano, nadala. Ganon din, Kim. Sa love life ba, yung first love mo, naging masaya ka na? Sa business mo, pag mo pumasok ka, sino dito nag-business? Yung pag first time pumasok sila sa business, kumita ka sila kaagad, naging milyonaryo. Ay, congratulations, may business ka. Milyonaryo ka na. Come on, wake up! It doesn't work that way. Yes, may mga failures. Yes, posible yung first attempt po hindi ka nag-succeed. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka na mag-try ulit. I am making sense. Come on, guys, let's end this one. You're not making sense. I mean, I'm sorry for the word, but we are talking about business. We are here to help you, but we need to fix your mind muna, okay? Okay. Yes, mag-join ka sa community. Okay. Then mag-enroll. Alright? Need po ba yung laptop niyo turuan? Mas maganda kung meron kang laptop, but marami din gumagamit lang ng cellphone. Pero kasi, common sense lang, kapag nag-aaral ka, na cellphone yung gagamitin mo, malit yung screen mo. Okay? But you can still do it. Kung wala talaga, at least you can start from there. Okay? Pero kung meron kang laptop PC, mas maganda. Alright guys, maraming salamat. Depende po sa robot na itatawag natin na kaya nga may mag-join ka sa ano, i-send namin sa inyo. Okay? Sa robot kasi, I just want to address this one. A robot kasi, number one, yung requirement mo, dapat yung robot mo is, 1 year na siya na tinatawag natin may track record. Kasi yung market, meron tayong tinatawag na market condition. Paiba-iba yung market condition natin. Hindi lahat ng robot maganda. Like I said, hindi lahat ng robot maganda. Now, if you want to learn more with our robot, join our GC, then isi-send kami sa inyo ng training webinar para ma-orient kayo kung ano yung do's and don'ts ng forex trading. The same thing with trabaho, hindi lahat ng trabaho maganda. The same thing with business, hindi lahat ng business maganda. Brother, Julius, lalaki ka, the same din sa babae. I'm sorry for the word, hindi lahat ng babae maganda sa paningin. That's normal, my brother. Kaya you know kung ano yung mga parameters mo, how to choose the right AI for you. Alright? I think we're done here. The course is comprised of basic, intermediate, advanced, tama pa, yes? If mag-enroll po kayo, coach, with coach and mentor related forex, mag-guide po na si mentor and demo trading. Yes po, may mag-guide po. Okay? Guys, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, I understand this is not for everyone. But this is only for those people talaga na seryoso kumita sa forex market at gustong kumita ng dollar. Okay? Marami na po yung kumikita. Maraming screenshots na kumikita. Ang question is it working? Yes, it is working. And is it still working? But ang question ko is, are you willing? Ito yung tanong ko, are you willing to take the risk, very small amount of money, para i-explore mo, para aralin mo itong forex trading na ito? Kasi guys, kung tutuusin mo, before I close, listen, before I close, magkano lang naman yung 149? That's below 10,000. Okay, babalik na rin natin guys. Bibigyan kita ng 10,000. What kind of business na pwede mong ma-start? Sige nga. What kind of business na pwede mong ma-start sa halagang 10,000 na pwede mong gawin habang busy ka sa trabaho mo, habang nag-abroad ka, pwede mong gawin? Tell me. I'll join you. Okay? But kung wala, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Thank you so much. God bless. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. God bless po.